This is a short video demonstration about ProgrammExpress, specifically for the Marshall Motor Group, our light PPM solution that can be utilized by all PM maturity levels, especially strong in portfolio and program reporting, quick to implement, configure and train in, and a very cost-effective solution. ProgrammExpress is cloud-based. We're just going to use a demo URL. You'll see that we've applied the logo and the color palettes for Marshall. So I'm going to log on as an administrator, and you can be an administrator, a write access user, or a read-only user. Administrator can see all projects and see all modules. This takes us to our home screen. Very simple view of all the projects sitting within programs and the portfolio. This is purely demonstration hierarchy, and each client makes their own hierarchy as they wish. From this screen you can see and do most things. First of all, you can see the health of the projects within the programs using the red, amber, green methodology, and the health by their modules, shown here on the home screen as icons, better described through the updates tabs as commentary, plan, resources, cost, benefits, impacts, risks and logs. So you can view and drill down into the screens related to the projects, or you can run reports that you've configured or reports that have been configured by a central projects team and shared with you. So ProgrammExpress is very much about simple data input, powerful program and portfolio reporting output. In terms of simple data input, I'll very quickly show you an example of a user that has a filtered role and will have access to the same home screen, same database, but you'll see here they only have write access to 3 projects, and they're only expected to update 4 of those modules: commentary, plan, budget and risks. So the project manager experience will be to click on the project, click on the commentary, see what they said last time, make updates. In terms of narrative status, have a look at the plan, make any updates, move through to the costs, again, make updates, and then the risks that are required of them to keep up to date, make any updates. Once their data has been updated, they will more than likely want to run a report. So let's have a look at one of our example project reports. We call a one-page summary, call it PPT because it just downloads nicely into PowerPoint. But you'll see here for that project, it has the reg status, the timeline, some financial information, and the commentary threads that have been configured specifically for this report. There's one example of a project report. Very simple experience for the project manager. Logging back in as an administrator. They know that the data is fully up to date. Lots of audit reports that can prove that. They'll open up the projects. They'll probably be drawn to the offending data within the portfolio, so we can filter out greens and filter out ambers. We can see where the big red issues are. Click on a project as an example. Let's go to costs. Drill down, we can see forecast exceeds planned, out of tolerance, hence red status. Same can be done for all modules and all projects. More likely, the administrator is going to want to start to run some program and portfolio reports, and this is where ProgrammExpress is very strong in terms of aggregation and consolidation of project information up to portfolio. So we'll click on the portfolio, and this time we'll go to shared reports, and we'll run a reg status summary. And this replaces the need for a manual Excel summary. It's real-time and automated, and you'll see here the project information, the columns that we've configured, including those 3 commentary threads. Another example would be a Gantt chart at portfolio level. That means that it will produce the data for everything that sits below it. So Gantt chart view of all the plans for all the projects. We use the red, amber, green for our taskbars, and Red means it's missed today's date, and amber means it's forecasting to be later than what we expected. Another view of the same data would be the milestone summary, higher level timeline view. Again, planning information, big ticket milestones, the health of them, the expected delivery days. And one more maybe, resource usage summary. Again, this is aggregated, consolidated up to portfolio level, replaces the need for Excel but looks like one. We'll see all our resources, we'll see the projects that they're working on. We can see the number of days in a period. We can see what their total aggregation is for that period, and we can see whether there are any hotspots or issues. Very short, high-level video demonstration of ProgrammExpress. There's plenty more modules. We've got document storage, we've got reporting and dashboards, different configuration settings. You can see that we've attempted to use your color palette and brand identity. And if, having seen that short video, there's a potential requirement, we've got a lot of contact details here, and the call to action would be a fuller functionality webinar, or more preferable a face-to-face meeting, potentially to plan a pilot implementation. But for now, thank you very much for watching.